Today, FEMA and local doctors, they're going to start making the push to get more children vaccinated against COVID in Philadelphia. A series of school vaccine clinics launched today. Now, here are some numbers that are going to help to explain why. Look at this. As of last week, 54% of kids 12 to 17 are fully vaccinated. Well, that number is even lower for younger children. Just 18% of kids 5 to 11 have had both their shots. NBC 10's Miguel Martinez-Valle, he is live outside school district headquarters in Spring Garden with more on this new focus and the reasons that could be keeping those numbers low. Miguel.
Hey, good morning. Yeah, and this is happening as the school districts had to switch more schools over to virtual learning because they just don't have enough staff because of COVID cases. So this is a partnership between the school district, they're partnering with FEMA and with the Black Doctors Consortium, taking vaccines to students, meeting them where they are at schools, hoping to fight vaccine hesitancy and get the low vaccination rate among children, get that a little bit higher. Now, today's clinic, it's going to be at Paul Robeson High School in Ludlow Street, and it runs from 9 until 2 for students, staff, and for family. Then there's going to be a second vaccine clinic on Thursday from 2 until 7, and that's for anyone eligible for the vaccine, regardless of if they're affiliated with the school or not. Now, the goal is to get more kids vaccinated and slow the spread of COVID. Health leaders, they say kids' vaccination rates, they're particularly low in Philly and around the nation for multiple reasons, including lack of access and opportunity, education, lack of trust, and misinformation. I spoke to Dr. Stanford from the Black Doctors Consortium yesterday. She told me it's crucial to meet people where they are in order to address those reasons and to get kids protected.
For the next 30 days, we will be vaccinating in the schools because we've got to get to our children. Over half the children who have died from COVID are children of color, primarily African American and Latinx, and we need to educate our families. We need to get to our children and bring the vaccination to them.
And we know through this partnership, the school district's hoping to open 7 more similar clinics now through March. I'm Miguel Martinez-Valle, NBC 10 News.
Not bad. And there's a little bit of good news, too. The COVID-related staff shortages that have crippled Philadelphia schools, they're improving. Only 15 schools are going to be virtual this week. That is down drastically from last week when that number was more than 100.